If your iPhone signal is always weak, dropping calls, or super slow, don't worry. Here are some simple ways to improve your signal strength. First, try turning airplane mode on and off. Just swipe down to your control center, tap airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your connection to the nearest cell tower and can instantly improve your signal. Next, check your location. Signal can be weaker indoors, especially in areas with thick walls or basements. Try moving closer to a window or stepping outside to see if your signal improves. Another quick fix is to restart your iPhone. It sounds simple, but it can help reset your network connection and fix temporary issues. You should also make sure your iOS is updated. Go to Settings, then General, and then tap Software Update. Sometimes, updates include improvements for connectivity and network performance. Lastly, check your SIM card. If it's damaged or not properly inserted, it can affect your signal. You can try removing and reinserting it carefully or contact your carrier if needed. And that's it. Try these tips and see which one works best for you.